How to pass lambda expressions as arguments in Kotlin. Example: feeling overwhelmed by callback hell in your Kotlin code? Learn the elegant Kotlin solution. Pass behavior as lambdas instead of annoying anonymous classes and simplify your code with functional goodness. How to pass lambda expressions as arguments in Kotlin. Example: a common use case for lambda expressions is to pass them as arguments to higher order functions. Higher order functions are functions that either take other functions as parameters or return parameters as their result. Let's take a look at an example. In this example, we have a higher order function called processData that takes a list of integers and a lambda expression as arguments. The lambda expression int arrow unit presents a function that takes an integer as a parameter and returns nothing. Inside the processData function, we loop through the list of numbers and apply the lambda expression to each item. That being said, are you tired of those pesky runtime null pointer exceptions crashing your apps? Let us now take a look at another feature of Kotlin, null safety. With Kotlin's built-in null safety, you can say goodbye to worrying about NPEs. Instead, leverage the power of strict compile time checks to catch issues early while writing cleaner, safer code. Learn how Kotlin makes handling nulls simple and intuitive in this quick video.